Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to hide followers on Instagram. First of all, open up the Instagram app on your phone and select a random profile like Tank's, which has 3.1 million followers. Tapping on the follower count reveals that only Tank can see his followers. Now let us go back. Choose another account and tap on followers. Here, you can see every account following this profile. To hide this information, go back to your profile icon from the bottom right corner. Tap on the three lines at the top right, then select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to Account Privacy and switch to Private. This means that accounts not currently following you won't be able to view your followers list. Note that existing followers can still see the list, but you can remove a follower to prevent this. Instagram makes it challenging to fully hide this information. In the case of big accounts like Tank's with millions of followers, there is more flexibility to show or hide the follower list. However, for normal accounts like ours, it is public information unless the account is set to private. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.